Hey there, wanna get rid of facial hair and achieve smooth glowing skin? Facial waxing is a great way to remove unwanted hair and keep your skin looking fresh for weeks. If you're new to waxing, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through everything step by step. Let's get started. Before you start waxing, it's important to choose the right wax for your skin type. Not all waxes work the same way, and using the wrong one can cause irritation. Hard wax, great for sensitive skin because it sticks to hair, not skin. Soft wax, better for fine facial hair but needs waxing strips for removal. Sugar wax, a natural and gentle option made from sugar, lemon and water. Quick tip. If you have sensitive skin, look for waxes with soothing ingredients. A little prep goes a long way. Here's how to get your skin ready for waxing. Exfoliate a day before waxing to remove dead skin and prevent ingrown hairs. Wash your face to remove any oil, dirt, or makeup. Use a pre-wax oil if using hard wax to help the wax stick to the hair, not your skin. Now let's go through the waxing process together. Warm up the wax until it's smooth and easy to apply, but not too hot. Spread a thin layer in the direction of hair growth using a spatula. Let it set, then quickly pull it off in the opposite direction. Hold your skin tight while removing the wax to minimize pain. Quick tip. A quick pull gives the best results and hurts less. You did it. Now let's make sure your skin stays smooth and irritation-free. Apply aloe vera gel or a cooling lotion to soothe your skin. Avoid touching, scrubbing, or applying makeup for at least 24 hours. Exfoliate 2 days after waxing to prevent ingrown hairs. Quick tip. Keep your skin hydrated with a light moisturizer for that extra glow. And that's it. Now you know how to wax your face like a pro. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more beauty and skincare tips. Have questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. Happy waxing!